Dynamic monthly cash flow waterfall chart. Drop-down list within chart. Let's learn how to create this. Create setup. First, enter YTD. We'll change that later. Use XLOOKUP for category. Select data. Insert waterfall chart. Select opening balance column, right-click and set as total. Do same for closing balance. You can do other formatting as per your requirement. Add another sheet. Use transpose function for next setup for drop-down list. To add drop-down list, go to Developer tab. Select Insert, then select Combo Box. Place it on chart. Right-click on Combo Box and select Range from Working Sheet. Select D1 for cell link. Now come to cell B2. Insert index function. Formula given in description. Now cash flow data become dynamic and data starts changing as per selection. Now let's set up header. Go to cell E1 and use if function with is number function. Formula given in description. Insert rectangle shape and place above the chart. And format as no shape fill and no shape border fill. Select shape and equal to and E1 as per video. Bold and center. Hide column D and E. And untick grid line from View tab. Our dynamic chart is ready to use.